Hello, this is John from SINO-AGRI. In here I'm taking you to see today's production line. For people, you can see this is the new model of 4YZ4X. This new model have a lot of new technicals. You can see it is still in the production. For this one, you can see here is the transport system. You can see the width is very big. It's much bigger than the 4YZF and L because the working system is have a much better, and so it can make the harvester working in a higher speed. It can take more corn inside and will be transported into the husker system. And there you can see this engine. This engine is a new engine. It have new technical. The power now is 210 HP. You know the 4YZF it is 175, so it's bigger. And then we take a look at other part, such as the husker. This husker is a new system. They have more rulers on the husker. Before they have 4 groups, and now it is more widely. It is 5 groups. Each group have 4 ruler for the husking, peeling the cover of the corn. All this work like the transport and bigger engine, the big husker is to make the harvesting faster, and you can get more corn when the harvesting, and every day you can do more work. Such as new technicals still like here. This is a new cleaning system for the seeds. You know, when the husker working, they have some seed will drop down over the husker, and then it will come here. They have other desert, something else. The covers will be take in different place out of the collecting box. For this box, it will collect the seeds, and then before you should take it out by hand, the seeds. But now they have electricity system. When you want to take this those seeds out, you put it like this, and there will be an electricity handle. When you push it, the seeds will come out itself. This is very good for save your time and save the people's work. So you can see the new harvesters got a lot of new technicals just for the higher working speed. More work you can do to save your money, to get more money. I think that is not only happy for the harvester manufacturer, it is also will be very happy for the users. So if you have interesting to take a Boyle's corn harvester to get more money, to service for your country and your farmers. Have a good day. Bye bye. This is John from SINO-AGRI. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.